Today is Friday, March 25th, and I have the hot mop guys here today. Hot mop? What's a hot mop? It's not that. That's just a mop sitting in the sun. Hot mop is a layer of tar that goes underneath the shower and totally waterproofs the bottom portion of the shower. Their truck is full of tar and a big machine that makes the tar or melts it. Ooh, I can already smell that tar. How do you know when it's ready?
When it's coming out liquid like that.
Oh, okay. Got it. How hot is it right now? Like, what's the temperature? Woo! 500 degree tar coming down right now. I'm gonna stand outside of the window and watch them do this hot mop. Don't worry, the sweat wasn't from the tar. I was doing a little exercise before this, but it's fitting for today, huh? This guy was very, very careful with this giant bucket of tar, and I was appreciative of that because it's 500 degree toxic tar. He covers every square inch of the floor of the shower and about a foot up the wall as well. Those fumes are pretty intense, not gonna lie. After the first layer of tar, they put this tar paper down, which is another moisture barrier. And then they cover that with more tar. Proof that it's sloping. These guys took a total of about maybe 3 hours to finish. And there it is, totally done. Need to let it dry for about an hour. Still smells pretty bad. What did we learn today? I learned that underneath every shower is a layer, multiple layers actually, of tar. The same stuff that's on your roof. Why do they put tar in showers? Because you don't want any water getting through there. You want the water to be completely diverted to the drain. And to put tar down, you gotta use a hot mop. And a hot mop is quite literally a mop that is very, very hot. It's literally a hot mop.